I'm Chris Kubal. Here's a look at your Local 5 weather impact forecast. As we go into Tuesday, things looking pretty mild. Once again, there will be a couple of clouds to contend with, but we're not going to be looking at an overcast sky. We will keep things, again, on the mild side. A mix of 40s and 50s expected, where there are a few more clouds, especially over northern and eastern Iowa. That's where those temperatures may be confined to the 40s. Now, we go into Wednesday. In the morning, there's a couple of spot showers that will be possible. I think our temperatures are warm enough. We're not dealing with wintry mix. But this is going to be more of a damp, dreary, and drizzly kind of a setup, especially for the first half of Wednesday. And that may linger a little bit into southeastern Iowa. And those clouds may be pestering as we go into Christmas Day. And that does bring up a few question marks when it comes to just how warm will Christmas Day be? Well, we're looking at a possible temperature inversion developing here. What we mean by that is a layer of warmer air just above the surface, and sometimes that can work in trapping a layer of clouds down low at the ground, and of course that will hurt our temperatures as well that are expected. Now, either way, it's going to be mild. It's a question is how mild. Now, for Des Moines, that white Christmas, not happening. You may find a couple of lucky locations in northern Iowa that may be able to squeak it out with some lingering little bits of snow, but it's not going to be widespread. We'll push our current streak to 3 when it comes to being a brown Christmas. So we have the temperature forecast for 57 in Des Moines right now for Christmas Day. Should that happen, it'd check in at the number 3 slot in terms of the warmest Christmases on record. But again, if those clouds materialize and really hunker down, that may hurt that high temperature and keep us well out of that top 5 list. Now, here's the going trend for those temperatures for tomorrow, or Wednesday rather. We're looking at a mix of 40s and 50s once again. However, we get into Christmas Day, there's still that split in place. So it's really a question on if we can break apart from those clouds and let some of those temperatures surge up. Looks like southern Iowa has the best chance at that. Either way, it's mild, but a question just how mild things are going to be in the end. Now, tonight, 35 degrees is going to be the call with our overnight low, and then 49 for your Tuesday. Temperatures back up into the upper 40s and low 50s. The number not really wanting to show up anywhere else other than over Des Moines. Let's wait a couple of seconds and see if the system gets its act together. All right, 51 in Atlantic. Still sprinkling some in, 41 in Iowa Falls. Okay, now that we finally have the numbers on the map, 40s and 50s are expected as we go through our Tuesday afternoon. Here's the 10-day. We're still keeping a mild forecast, easy on the travel scene. We will have a couple of showers to watch early on Wednesday, and then I think for Thursday night as well. However, no big systems coming in here for the next 5 days. We will get a powerful cold front Saturday night, and with that front, a couple of raindrops. Again, not too much moisture coming with it, but it will knock those temperatures back down for Sunday leading into next week. That's a little bit more seasonal for the time of year.